It's a new year. It's the time to think about where you add value for your firm, for your family, for yourself, your communities. And many people ask, what does it take to become effective, to make something happen? And quite often they start with, I think this should be done differently. Nobody cares what you think. Unless you're living in the Mediterranean on a yacht with a group of monkeys waving palm leaves over your oiled body, no one cares what you think. The trick is that you become a reporter of fact. You find facts, you then interpret, you use the facts to have a solution for a problem. Too many people believe that their opinion matters. No one cares what you think. People care about what you can show as examples, as previous facts from other firms, as events that happen that you interpret, and you then create a solution for your employer or for a client. Be a reporter of fact and not a peddler of fiction. And that will set you apart from the many who will say, I'm a consultant, I can solve your problem. That usually does not work. What works is that you look at events around the firm, you look at what happened before, you create a quilt around the company that wraps them into fact, and you then are able to structure a solution from those facts. Have a very successful year.